If your garage door is rattling, squeaking, or just generally not running smoothly, there are a few things you can do to help maintain it. Before engaging in any cleaning and maintenance, always disengage your opener. Please undertake all garage door maintenance safely. To protect against corrosion or decay, wash down the external surface of your door with clean water and a soft brush or cloth every month or so. You may need to do this more regularly in coastal areas. For sectional doors, clean the internal sections of the guide tracks and the door seals with mineral terps or methylated spirits on a soft, dampened cloth around every 4 to 6 weeks. For rolling doors, polish the internal tracks to remove dirt to help it run smoothly. For sectional doors, lubricate the hinges with an all-purpose machine oil like Inox to help reduce wear. Do not use grease. Always use an all-purpose machine oil. V&D recommends getting your garage door serviced by a trained professional every 2 years. So if your door is making an odd noise or just needs a bit of TLC, call us on 13 62 63 or visit vnd.com.au to arrange a full garage door and opener service.